Toy time, toy time. It's toy time, it's toy time. Let's go play. Hey friends, it's time for us to see what Farmer John is up to. Hey Farmer John.
Hey there. I brought you some eggs from the chickens.
You did?
Yeah. And they have some cool surprises inside of them.
Well, Farmer John, can we see these eggs?
Why, of course. Let me hop into the back of my truck and show you all of the eggs we got.
Okay, Farmer John. Let's open up the first one. I wonder what's inside this egg. Farmer John, can you help us? What is this, Farmer John?
That's a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Okay, let's open up our next egg. Farmer John, what's this animal?
Why, that's a pony. It's a pretty pink pony.
Wow, thanks Farmer John, this is so much fun. What's this one? Maybe Farmer John can help us. Farmer John, what is that?
Well, that's a pig. It goes oink, oink, oink.
I wonder what this green egg is going to be. Farmer John, what's that?
That's a cow. A cow goes moo.
Next up is our yellow egg. Farmer John, what's this?
That's a duck. It goes quack, quack, quack. Alright, here's the last egg.
Okay, I wonder what's inside of it. I know this one, Farmer John. This is a kitty cat and it goes meow.
That's right. Good job. Okay, that's all the eggs I have for you today. I'm gonna pack up my truck and get going.
Alright, well thanks Farmer John, we had so much fun. See you next time.